Hey guys, Turtle Ridge here, making a video of this, trying to get some hydraulics put on the 3025E tractor. Didn't have the money to do it when I bought it, so doing it afterwards, kind of regretful, but whatever. Ordered this kit from Summit, and they give you this picture, and they're frustrating. Paper instructions are frustrating. Just give me a video and I'll have it done in 15 minutes, but give me 5 pieces of paper and it's gonna take 5 freaking hours. Yeah, so this T, I don't even know why they put this in here. Like, why would they even confuse you with that? Because I ran the line from the tank port all the way to that, and I ended up putting that steel line back on. The tank port is actually a 90 that comes off the side of the control lever, so that's fucking garbage. This is the kit I ordered. It's $199 as of 2022, so you could expect, Biden economy, it will be $400 in a couple years. And then they took that photograph right there, figure 14, and they kind of put the port right there, and you assume by looking at it, it's the one right in plain sight. No, it's the one right behind it. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Summit didn't give me any money, whatever. They didn't give me any parts or anything. If they wanted to send me a third function kit for this, I would definitely install it and, make a decent video without swearing and all that crap. Here's the kit. I don't know why they got this loop here. It doesn't make sense to me. I might have to put in an additional T because I'm running a post driver off the rear of this tractor. So I couldn't get that line to go behind this roll bar bracket thing. So I pushed this to the outside of the fender instead of the inside like they instruct you to. And then I ran this line to there. That's one of the pictures, figure 14, that I was talking about. The photograph wants you to remove this one because it's forward facing in the photograph. There's the T. I don't really like the way that turned out at all, but it is what it is. There's some lines hanging down here. I got to zip tie them up. You got to take off all your little brackets and shit. See, the first problem I showed you was this line. I took that one off first because it's labeled T in the photograph, and I'm like, so that's where my tank goes, T and T. Together, they should go together. They don't. So 4 hours later, I ended up taking this line off, which is the pressure line, which they clearly labeled in the photograph, but for some reason, this is the tank line off the 90. This is the tank line off of, no, this is the pressure line. This is the tank line over here off the 90. You got 2 lines that need to come off, 1 extra fitting left over from the tractor from replacing that T. I hope this saves you, a couple hours of frustration going through the instructions for Summit, but if it doesn't, I hope it at least complicates things for you. That was today's project, Turtle Ridge. Lost 7 quarts of fluid because I wasn't thinking about catching it and reusing it, or working faster, or putting the lines together before. Or they give you these little plastic caps, I could have put those on the T and it wouldn't have ran out for the 2 hours. But it drips out pretty slow. But it seems like every time I deal with this tractor, I ended up putting hydraulic fluid in it. It ain't cheap, let me tell you. So I just bought a couple buckets of it when I was at the dealer today. If this doesn't work, I won't load this video. If it does, then I'll load it. But there you go. There's your video. Cheap and dirty. Turtle Ridge. Do that thumb up thing for me, please, if this helped you. If it didn't, leave a nasty comment. Thank you. Cheap and dirty.